Ligsik na.
Now it's for third. That's that. So, turn you on that for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. No goal again. Rebound by number 8. Nakita ka pa saan? Go number 2. Number 2. Nag-dribble si number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Oh, spotted. Number 6. Young committed. First personal foul. First team foul.
Yan papa.
Oh, good.
Kuha na ang pusyang bugoy.
Gani.
Dito na rin mong pasok na ba?
For the second.
Pwede rin, miss balulang ng eskulang uban, no?
No good again. Rebound by
Nice.
number 7. Yes, 2 points. Number 7. So number 6. Dribble si number 6. Pass to Kansan for 2. Yes, 2 points. So number 69. Dribble. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number spin. Number 16. Number 2. Yes, 2 points. Number 16. Right time for the second quarter. 4 minutes. Number 6, pass to number 9.
Nice one.
I 19. Yes, 2 points. To number 6. Dribble. Nakita ka pa saan? To number 24. To number 16 for 3. No good. To number 69. 69 nagpapalit. 69 for 2. Yes. 2 points.
Dito lagi sa Chike, wa ina na.
Dribble si number 6. Number 6 pass to number 16. Number 16, number 16, number
Init,
number 7, to number 2. Number 2. Number 2.
Ala.
No, good for number 69.
Nice
Yes,
one.
2 points. Akbak malala. Number 6. Number 6, no more shot. No good. Number 7. To number 69. Number 69. Not shopping.
Chat by
So, second quarter. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Sansan. Sansan. So, last shot by Leon. So, number 7. Number 7 natin for 2. Yes, basket pop.
Wala na.
Number
Na
6.
oo, kauban sila. Nilakaw na si kuya.
Nice steal by number 2. Yes. 2 points. So number 16, number 16, number 16, ang ganda ba? Sumusot. So number 69, number 69, pass to number 2. Pass to number 69, yes! 2 points. So Aksan, by the way, sinabot. Lalo pa na ba Aksan, pass to number 6. No good, rebound by number 7. Number
Pasarel, di ba?
7. Pass to number 69.
Saban lagi.
Number 16 na napapatay sa number 69.
Nagsab
Number
lagi
2.
siya.
No,
Parang
good.
number 8.
Tulo Aksan. Aksan.
Clyde!
Uy! Uy! Good lang. Good lang. Gusto siya. Aksan. If there's a last to shoot. So number 6 natin for 3. No good. Diba may number 7? Number 7. Nagkaganda ko. Number 7. So... Okay.
Ha? Buwang.
Stepping on the line.
Magagawa.
Quarter.
Kapalitin na ganda isa.
So Aksan. So number 16. So Aksan.
Sana yung oras, ang gamamag.
Nag-dribble Aksan na tayo for 3.
Panjut segundo.
No good. Remaining time for the second quarter. 2 minutes. So number 69. Namasok si number 69. Number 69. Nag-spin. Oh, smaller. Shot. Young committed. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Nagkatawa, mga kabasos kayo na.
Doon nakablock. At for 3. Yes, 3 points. Black. Remain time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Aksan, nag-dribble. Nag-crossover. Nangitag screen si Aksan. Aksan, pass to number 10 at number 3. No, number 7. Pass to number 69. Uuwi, kapal po.
Latan ka mga good.
To Aksan. Oh! That's violation. Remaining time for the second quarter. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Good. Number 16 at level 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Napapadali sa number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Number 16 again. No. Mamay siya. Shanshan! Yes. 2 points. Shanshan.
Big man, nagpabilin.
For the second quarter. 40
Kaya
seconds.
gusto mo score.
Good.
Diba?
Your step.
Yes.
Number 7, number 2. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. No good. Power is number 6, number 2. Yes. 2 points. Rebecca plus 25 seconds. So number 7. Good. 20 seconds. 15. For 3. Yes. 8 seconds. 5.